Welcome into this video on how to record your screen using Dubb. We're going to look at two pieces of technology. One is going to be the Chrome extension, and the next one is going to be our desktop app. Let's jump in.
The Dubb Chrome extension is one of the easiest to use and most powerful screen recorders available anywhere. Here's how it's going to work. First, you'll notice there are some screen recording options. I'm currently using the screen recorder now to record this video. Here we can do things like arrows pointing to the directions. We can number first, second, third. Of course, we can draw on the screen. There's an ability to completely alter your webcam where you can zoom in, zoom out, change the size, change the shape. And of course, you can move the camera anywhere you want as well. So webcam functions, annotations. There's also a full function teleprompter where you can select from scripts, read directly from your teleprompter while you're recording your screen. So as far as recording goes, it's the most robust, feature-rich screen recorder available on the market. Now, it also does some other things. There is instant library access here where you can take any video and universally copy and paste this into any channel, email, social, CRMs, text messages, etc. So one click to instantly share your videos into any channel. Next, it also has a fully customizable generative AI assistant built right in, where you can set up a profile, including specifics about yourself, tonality, word length, all these options so that you can create powerful outputs without complex prompts. You can enter something simple like write me a sales email, and it's going to understand everything about you so that it gives you fantastic outputs with simple prompting. So you don't have to be an AI expert or have a mile-long list of prompts. So the AI assistant is directly built into the extension where you can generate your prompts and then add this directly to your teleprompter or copy it to your clipboard. Then you have access to your reporting where you can see exactly who's watching your videos, how much, where they were, etc. And lastly, you have the option for the sidebar where Dubb can now be a part of anything that you're doing on your screen. So this is the most powerful screen recorder, guys, on the market, and we can't wait for you to try it for yourselves.
Now let's take a look at what the desktop app can do.
And this is your desktop menu. There's a lot of stuff you can do in here, but we're going to look at screen recorder. So I'm going to click this here, and now I'm going to show you the similarities. So we just saw the Chrome. Similarities between desktop and Chrome. You have the bubble. You can zoom yourself in, change shape, all the stuff you just saw. You can do a virtual background. You also have the annotation tool, and you have the teleprompter. So all that's similar. Now, some of the differences. So see this red slash through this right here? If I was to hit record right now, I'd be getting my entire desktop. But if I get rid of the red slash, now I have a drop down, and this says custom. So what this is I can move this thing wherever I want to. I can also crop. So if I have a document or a Canvas slide or part of a website I want to get, or even part of my desktop screen, I have the ability to crop around anything I want to crop around. And as long as I'm inside the square here, you can see me in there. I can also go here, go 16 by 9 for YouTube. I can even do 9 by 16 for social media. This is a really cool one. So if you don't want to be on your phone, you can just crunch your internet browser or whatever you want on the screen, crunch it, go this style, this orientation, portrait. And now you've done a social video for Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, all that good stuff. Now, also, when I hit record here, here's another difference. So when I hit record, I'm actually, let me do that first. Hold on, let me hit record. Okay, watch. So here we go. I'm hitting record, and now I'm recording a video. And just like before, I can pause and resume this video, which is totally normal. But the difference here is when I click the check mark, I'm not saving it into Dubb. What's happening is I've just recorded a physical clip. So the desktop app is a clip recorder. The Chrome extension is one video you pause and resume. So with this, there's some cool advantages. I can click this little button that says drag and drop videos, right? I can click here. It brings me right to where I am inside here. I'm going to grab a video from my computer, and now I just dropped it in there. And I can physically move this around too. So I don't have to record chronologically. You can do the end first, the middle, whatever you want, because you can move these clips. And you can also download or delete each individual clip as well if you want to do that. Now, if I want to keep recording, I'm going to click record screen below. It's going to bring me right back to where it was. I'm going to hit record again. And now I'm just building this out. I'm recording another clip as I'm doing here. I'm going to hit save. There's the clip that's recorded. Now I have 3 clips. I can also click record webcam below here. So maybe I want this to be my opening. I click record here, or it could be my ending or my middle, whatever I want. Hey, this is Rob. Listen, thanks for watching this video, one of those kinds of deals. Hit the check mark, And now I can move this to the front if I want to. So a lot of options here with this. And then when I'm done, I would click Done Recording. It's going to merge our clips together into one video. I can do a quick little edit down here. I can download the video to my computer, and I can upload the finished one into Dubb.
Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you at the next one.